I'm making this video in the midnight of Monday, June 15, 2026. Good evening, everyone. I have some reports here, 3 reports. They sent it to me on WhatsApp. I saw missed calls. I returned the missed calls. Then I spoke with them. It is only one group that I've not talked with. And these are vigilante group. I know some of them, unless the one that I have not spoken with now. I don't know the community. Thank God that I don't know the community. But you know what? I told them that, no, this thing is not important to report. This is not what we should be reporting. But, sometimes it is good to just say it out and hide the identity and hide the community where such a thing happen. You all understand what is going on in Nigeria. There are some news that you will bring out. The community may even become target. Those individuals may even become target. Now, one of the community, there is this man that went to farm in the morning. And this is not that inside farm. There is a man that want to build house. For you to know that this place is not inside though. It's not like it is inside the farm, it is in the bush. So this person that want to build house, he want to build it on this oil palm plantation. So they now take it down. They uprooted all of them. So this man have to start going there to tap palm wine. So that maybe after the tree must have decayed, they will put fire on it before the foundation will start. So he went very early in the morning. He said he parked his bike very long distance at the entrance of the place. So it's like he knew that something is going to happen. He did not use torch. He started going far. He want to start from the end down to the side his machine is. So that when he's taking the palm wine, it will not be too heavy for him to carry to the place the machine is. So this man decided to go to the end, to start cutting from there, start, extracting palm wine from there. He said after 2 minutes, he saw people pointing torch where his machine is. Not one, not two, not 3 people. And as they were pointing torch, the torch was touching people who are around there. And they were carrying gun, AK-47. That was where he knew that these people are terrorists. And he said the only thing he could do at that moment is to cover himself and make a call. He was covering his phone to make sure that the light of the phone was not seen by the terrorists. He texted the message to his fellow vigilantes. Terrorists is here. They are in my farm. I need you people to come. That is a brave man. Oh. He told them that these terrorists have AK-47, but the vigilante, they did not stay back like being afraid of their life. This man put on the call and whispered to them, you people can come, you people can come. If you can bring 10 people here with gun. And that was how these people started coming. Now, this is God that saved him. The man was already captured. He was already captured. So when he said immediately he finished making the call, it's like when he was trying to move and go and hide further, they saw the light of the phone. Immediately they saw the light of his phone. They pointed torch toward his direction and they asked him not to move. They asked him not to move, and that was where he stopped. And those people came, they surrounded him with gun. He said there are about 6 of them. And among the 6 of them, 1 was with cutlass, 3 of them were with AK-47. And 2 of them, he don't know what they carry, whether there is gun inside or not. So that was where he just raised up his hand. And they started taking everything he has. So as they were circling him, a call came. So the call now came. It was those vigilante group that were calling. And they asked him, who is calling you? He said, my family. Let me tell them that I have been kidnapped. And the kidnappers, this is where devil punished them. They now asked the man to tell his family that he has been kidnapped, that they are going to take him so that they can go and find money. So he now he received the call and said, brother, I have been kidnapped. I've been kidnapped. They are going to take me. Please, you people should find money for me. He just ended the call. SOS. The vigilante group understood what the man said. They knew that they have taken this man. So what they did was to follow. In fact, it is good that people be their own police. Forget about these police and military. These people understand the roads in their community. So they now dropped the machine very far away and they started running using leg to go and ambush them because they knew the road they are going to follow. That was how they went. And all of them lie down, waiting for these kidnappers to come out. Just as predicted. They said within 6 minutes, they were hearing some sound when they were coming. They were coming. They were coming. So they said it is the dog they carry, because these vigilante people came with dog. It was the dog they carried that wanted to expose them. So the dog left them. And the dog went after those people and started barking. The kidnappers shot the gun. Shot the dog. They shot the dog dead. Immediately they shot the dog. In fact, he said the thing helped them. They now understand the distance they have between the kidnappers and them. That was where they just waited. Immediately these people come out, they ambushed them. They ambushed them, they shot them. And the kidnappers ran. They left one of their gun. They left one of their gun. And the rest thing that happened is not what I will speak. Some of them ran. So they were ambushed. This is the importance of a community vigilante. I understand that what is going on in Nigeria is no longer like a child's play. We understand that the fire superiority of these terrorists, sometimes they carry that anti-aircraft gun. That one bullet is even bigger than even your finger. One bullet is even bigger than your finger. So such bullet, there is nothing you will do that to make it not to penetrate you. In fact, that one bullet can even penetrate people at once. But amidst that, these vigilante people were so courageous. They were so courageous. This is what we want people to do. This is because, just imagine, that man's own was gone. Because even the terrorists, for you to know how bad these people is, the terrorists hid the bike because they have intention that they will come back to carry the bike. They hid the bike and they started taking the man. So that maybe after the ransom, they will come and take the bike. They will start terrorizing the area, putting fear. In fact, that man, I told him, forget about that. They are taking you, telling you to call for money. You don't know whether they will kill you or not. Maybe they will just waste your life after they must have paid them. These people are wicked. So a lot of people, if they send me information like that, I have told so many people, I said, don't expect me to publish all these things on social media, calling the name of communities, calling the name of people. I will not do that. But sometimes people are feeling too much fear, like there is fear in the air. That is why sometimes we just want to let people know that these people are being chased every day. It is all about unity of purpose. It is all about people coming together. You can defeat these people. The solution, the urgent solution, not permanent solution, not the real solution. The urgent solution to the insecurity we are seeing right now. The urgent solution is what I'm telling you. Everybody go and get gun. Join vigilante group. Be a vigilante to your community. Do everything you have to do for your community. Be your community police. Forget about military, forget about police. The community belongs to you, does not belong to any military or any police. There is no how a military will give you security more than the vigilante of that community. Like, this is their community. Those vigilante groups that risked their life to answer that distress call, they knew that if they didn't go, it's not just about that man, it is all about their life and the life of their families. Nobody knows who is next. So, kudos to these people. Like, their morale is now high. In fact, I overheard one person when I was talking to their guy. One person was at the background saying, in fact, we have to start going to the bush to comb the bush. To now start searching for them. This is what is expected. If you leave your bushes, if you leave everywhere, you say that there is nothing. Now you know. Don't hope on the military or the police. You can do this by yourself. Don't expect any government, they have failed. In fact, I would say they are supporting the terrorists, not you. So they are not supporting you, they are supporting the terrorists. So make sure that whatever you are doing, you start strong and you make sure that nobody will divide your people. Like, unity among those vigilante group now is the power they have. It is the power they have, not just the gun. Imagine you. Like, I'm trying to put myself in that situation. Receiving a distress call. Kidnappers are here. They are having AK-47. And you carry pump action. 8 rounds, 7 rounds. And you went there, you challenged them. And you defeated them. You know, it's you. It's not easy, you understand? So I really appreciate them. I really appreciate them. But information like this, I don't publish it. I have a reason why I don't publish it. I know that anytime something like this happens, people would like to hear news like this, right? But there is a reason why we don't do that. The reason is best known to us. We understand the system. Remember that many vigilante groups, including in Edo State, they collected their guns. They collected their guns before insecurity now overpowered their area. They collected their guns. So we know what we are doing when we say that we are not going to, leak all this information. The most important thing is this: be safe and try everything that you can do to save people around you, to save your community. Information is power. If you have information about the movement of the terrorists, report it to your vigilante group. Report it to your community first. Report it to your community first before any other thing. For so many of you who are fond of condemn military, condemn police, at the end, no rescue, no help. They will tell you that there is no fuel. The road is bad. You will not know whether there is an ulterior motive. So why not just try to believe in yourselves? Believe in the vigilante group. One of my teeth in my mouth here, it was, broken by terrorists. I will call them armed robbers or terrorists, no matter the name you give them, or bandits. It was broken by it was gone. They used to hit me. If they shot me that day, today I will not be alive. Or maybe if God want me to be alive, if nature want to preserve my life, I'll still be alive till today. So if you have not experienced any attack, you have never experienced any robbery, you don't understand all these things, you will not know. You will not know. Just like when if someone is talking about police brutality, if you have not experienced it, there is no how you will understand what the person is saying. I can, like the experience I had when I was arrested, not only me though, and that was SAS Zone A, Abuja. SAS Office Zone A, Abuja, that time. I have been there, I have slept there. So if you did not go through an experience, it will be very difficult for you to recount it or know what others are feeling. Anytime you are faced with gun, the tension is totally different. Some people can even pee in their cloth. You have never experienced such and don't pray to experience it. And that is why we do what we do, because we know what is going on. Pulling the trigger can just end your life. Think about your struggles. Think about the life you have been struggling for. Like one bullet deserves to end your life? Absolutely no. But if you are too afraid to lose that your life, you know you have lost it. So we must arise courageously, encourage one another, anyhow or anything you can do to help people, you do it. So that is it. Kudos to them.